In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an envelope using DocuSign eSignature. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you understand how to get it done efficiently and effectively. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to log into your DocuSign account. This is your starting point to accessing all the features and functionalities DocuSign offers. If you're new to DocuSign, or if you simply need a quick refresher, logging in is quite simple. Just head over to the DocuSign website and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, a sort of control center for your digital document transactions. From here, direct your attention to the top of the page, where you'll find various tabs. Locate and click on the Templates tab. Templates in DocuSign are pre-prepared documents that serve as a convenient way to streamline repetitive sending tasks. If you've already set up a template for the document you wish to send, half your work is already done. Now, from the templates list, browse through to find and select the specific template that you want to use. Perhaps it's a business contract, an agreement form, or any other document that you regularly need signatures for. Selecting this template ensures that the layout, fields, and structure you've previously set up are ready to go for your next use. After you've located and selected your chosen template, look for a button labeled Use and go ahead and click on it. This will prepare the document for sending and lead you to the setup of signers. At this point, you'll need to input the names and email addresses of the individuals required to sign the document. Take care while entering this information, ensuring the details are correct, as this step is crucial in guaranteeing the document reaches the intended signers. Double-check the email addresses for any typos. Accuracy here can save you a lot of time and potential follow-ups. With everything in place, it's time to hit the Send button. Once you click Send, DocuSign will do its magic, sending out the envelope to the designated recipients. It's quick and efficient, providing both you and the recipient an organized digital path to completing necessary signatures. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully sent an envelope using DocuSign eSignature. This process not only makes everything more manageable, but also contributes to a more environmentally friendly, paperless system. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy signing.